Hi, short video to talk to you about this Dyson Cyclone V10 total clean vacuum cleaner. So it comes in full working order and has been cleaned. It comes with the two brush heads, as you can see here, a replacement charger, the wand and the main unit. Both the heads, this is the soft roller, this is the hard one, have been cleaned and in both full working order. Replacement charger, brand new, just a charger. The wand does have scratches in places, and then the main unit. This has two modes, well, three modes: economy and maximum. On economy, the battery lasts for 50 minutes approximately, and on maximum mode, 7 minutes. That's continuous, and you can tell the difference. Economy, maximum, and the medium range, which no one ever uses. Always economy most of the time. Inside's an air fresher, just to make it a bit nice and smellier. Doesn't smell, but just to freshen it, I should say. I'll just show you it working. Try to do this one-handed. So economy. It's on the economy mode. Put it on max. I do have other Dyson V10s listed and a V11 and Mealy vacuum cleaners. Please take a look, but any questions at all, please just ask. This does have used marks. It is a used item. The filter's been washed and cleaned and dried also. The serial number is there if you want to look up on Dyson's website at all. So any questions, please ask. Thank you.